At its center is Aditi, the infinite mother from whom all creation flows. Around her, four great streams of consciousness unfold: Maheshwari, Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, and Mahasaraswati. From each stream bloom three petals, 12 powers that shape the inner being of man. Maheshwari, the vast, all-embracing wisdom. Maheshwari is the mother's vastness, the quiet, limitless sky of understanding. She widens our nature so that truth can enter without distortion. She does not push, she reveals. She does not command, she illumines. Her three powers flow naturally from her vastness. From her whiteness arises aspiration, the soul's pure longing to rise beyond itself, a flame that rises without end, not forced, not restless, but a quiet, steady longing to become something truer, higher, purer. From her depth comes receptivity, the quiet opening of the soul. When we grow still, the light descends. We receive not by forcing, but by opening. And through her calm, spacious guidance grows progress, which is the soul's quiet movement toward a truer and higher way of being. Not a rush, not a race, but a steady unfolding. It is the willingness to grow, to refine, to take one small step every day toward a deeper truth. Mahalakshmi, the harmony, beauty, and warmth. Mahalakshmi is the mother's sweetness, the rhythm of harmony, the beauty that binds all things with love. If Mahakali gives speed, Mahalakshmi gives grace. She teaches that true power is gentle, compassionate, and radiant. Her three powers bloom like fragrant petals. In her presence awakens gratitude, the heart's quiet light, the gentle awareness of blessings already given, a soft warmth that rises when we recognize how much has been placed in our hands. She nurtures humility, the quiet strength that bows without fear, a softness that comes not from weakness, but from knowing one's true place in the divine flow. And from her abundant nature springs sincerity, the soul standing in its own true light, honest, clear, unmasked. It is when thought, word, and action move in one straight line, transparent and faithful to the inner truth. Nothing hidden, nothing twisted, only a quiet, unwavering alignment with what is real. Mahasaraswati, the perfection, the craft, the conscious work. Mahasaraswati is the mother's precision, the quiet power of perfection, the beauty of exactness, the devotion to detail. Where Maheshwari widens, Mahakali purifies, Mahalakshmi harmonizes, Mahasaraswati completes. She teaches the joy of doing things with consciousness. Her three powers are like polished jewels. From her patient rhythm arises peace, the deep, steady stillness within, a quiet ground untouched by noise, where the being rests in calm certainty. She establishes equality, the soul's balance, a vision that sees without preference, without anger, without fear. It is the quiet poise that holds both joy and difficulty with the same calm strength, knowing that all experiences come to shape us. She radiates generosity, the heart's natural overflow, a giving that springs from abundance, not obligation. It is kindness offered freely, a warmth that moves outward simply, because the soul is full. And now from the heart of creation itself, from the silence behind the stars, from the place where all beginnings begin and all endings return, we call upon the one who stands beyond limits, beyond worlds, beyond time itself. She is the source, she is the center, she is the infinite womb of the universe. Aditi, the infinite mother, the mother of space, the mother of light, the mother from whom every force, every flame, every goddess flows. From her breath rose perfection, from her smile unfolded harmony, from her fire surged strength, from her silence flowed wisdom. With the whiteness of Maheshwari, the flame of Mahakali, the sweetness of Mahalakshmi, and the May these 12 petals unfold in us as aspiration, receptivity, progress, as courage, perseverance, generosity,